Hi, today's topic is finalizing video. When you're rendering your Blender file, you can make MPEG-4 video, but in the same time there is music, background music or sounds or whatever. So it is always actually better to render in PNG or JPEG files or something in the case that it broke. Many times may happen that program just crashes and you have half of the video. I'm not sure which to recover, which frame to continue. Now, if you render PNG, on the other hand, you have numbered. Just be sure name. I've made mistake making, for example, smoke 1. Then it will add 0001 and it is confusing. If stuck, let's say frame 200, you should continue render 201 and so on. So let's make some video. Today always I have some problems. You may choose the same animation. For example, I did animation of the smoke, render it 250 frames. Now end is 1000, but I will not rebake. 250 is sufficient. Now go to video sequencer. You will get something like this, and by pressing N on keyboard, N like November, you will get your settings. Now add your image sequence, animation, smoke PNGs. Here is problem 10001. Okay, so A on keyboard to select all, and here is your video. In order to see preview, choose sequencer/preview, so that above is your preview. Now with missing sound, let's bring this to the 0, because I forgot to bring cursor to 0, so it starts from cursor. So bring to 0, add music, choose sound, choose music from YouTube, which is free, to avoid copyright issue and whatever. So here is one audio already used in my video, so just for sake of this, and it is too loud. So let's go to frame 0. When this track is selected, volume go to 0. Few frames later we will ramp up or fade in. Instead 100% we will choose -3 decibel or 0.5. Go to last frame, which is 252, and make cut. This X, delete, yes, erase strips, and now few frames earlier did I make, I forgot, yes. Okay, let's backward, sorry, keyframe, insert keyframe for half volume, and here 0, we should add keyframe, else it will go immediately. Slowly going louder, 10 seconds later, 12, how much, I don't know. It stops playing sound because it's not buffered. Usually programs bring everything in memory. This has no prefetcher, I cannot find it. And oh, now should do. If I put keyframe, yes, I put keyframe here, but forgot at the end put keyframe with 0 value, so that fade out. There is also fade in and fade out, but I want my custom, so here is. Quickly goes out. Now the important thing, output. choose resolution, start to end 250, 25. I'm from Europe, it is okay to me. Now, FFmpeg this time, high quality, AAC for audio, and here is interesting part. You can burn into image additional data if you want. Font size, for example, F12 to see what is burned in. File, for debug later. If you want to back to this video so you can debug, it will be time coded, it will frame, you can add name of your video, file name, disable, note, no, scene. Let me see what is name of the scene. Scene. So how to change this? Go to compositing. I already add this glare, which doesn't work. So we will delay that and go here, and instead scene, let's say smoke. Now we should get here scene smoke. Of course, if you don't want that, just exclude metadata and burning into image. If you disable this, it will just be okay. So now save, always saving before any rendering, in the case it crashes. So now it's shorter F12, Control F12, and it's slowly rendering frame by frame, compositing into MPEG-4 video. I choose matroshka.mkv because YouTube likes streamable format, which is matroshka, whatever you want. I think it's Russian, I'm not sure. I should check on Wikipedia or somewhere. 100 frames, we have only 250. It will take a while. Every program, rendering program, Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve has the same issue. Maybe a little bit faster because using CUDA graphic card, this using CPU. I did not find how to encode by graphic card. I have no idea because I already selected my graphic cards and it doesn't use. I have no here. Let me see this one. Nope. Just using processor CPU. Now it's finished, and let's see final product how it looks like. Looks like name is smoke, short, and where put in animation. Okay, smoke one. Which one? 1A. This one. So this is previous. Sorry. Yep, that's it. MKV or that, or I recorded a few times again having problem with sound, so 10 seconds of video. So that's it. If you have any question, I will not make right now tutorial about smoke because I'm having problem with this because of now it looks like there is sound generated, but it is not. So yeah, if you are interested in smoke, please leave a comment below what exactly. There is few change. I have just one color because actually shading of the domain gives us color. For example, we want green one, and Go here to viewport. It should be green, but now is in, I think, in cycles, in Eevee. If you want 3 colors, probably I need 3 domains intersecting, for example. So it is complicated. So leave me comment what you want to see actually in next tutorials. Okay, that's all for now. Now you know that you should to generate PNGs, because one day you want to make alpha channel. This means transparency. For example, some figure with transparent background, so that you can make combination, how to say, composite on top of other video. So you want transparent background. In this case, PNG with RGB A. A means alpha channel included mask. You have mask so that it later compositing will be easier. Also, in this sequencer you can composite everything what you want. I just want to be short, don't want long videos. Okay, that's all. Bye bye. Sorry, already too long.